Good morning everybody. So today we have to discuss about chemistry in everyday life. It is very important for chemistry, second year chemistry. So first one, drugs molecular masses. Drugs means that molecular masses may be started from 100 to 500 units. Next one, among these drugs, so very important drugs we have know that is first one is analgesic drug. Okay, that is analgesic drug. So you know very well about that. Okay, next one is analgesic drug, pain-killing effect. Next, antiseptic drugs. So these are also kills but arrest growth of microorganisms. You have to remember very careful about this one. Next one, antihistamine, inhibit action of compound histamine. So sometimes histamine will release in the stomach, so we have to decrease the amount of histamine in the stomach. So for that we have to use the drug name is antihistamine. Okay, next one, if you observe, agonist, so mimic the natural messenger. Okay, it is acts as a natural messenger. Next, antagonist inhibits natural function by blocking messengers. Okay, blocking messengers. So whatever it may be, so it will stop natural messenger by blocking the messenger. Next, antacid. Here antacid, if you observe, antacid means reduce, neutralize acidity. Okay, so antacid means it will decrease or reduce acidity. So next, so antacid, so some of the chemicals which are used as antacids are, first one is baking soda. Baking soda formula is NaHCO3. Next one, metal hydroxide mixture. Metal hydroxide mixture, for example, AlOH taken twice, this is metal hydroxide. One more, MgOH taken twice. So these two metals are mixture. So metal hydroxide mixture is also useful for baking soda, antacid. Next, some more examples for antacid are cimetidine, tegamet, ranitidine, Jantac. Okay, cimetidine, tegamet, ranitidine, Jantac. If you observe diagrams, structures, histamine structure, so here nitrogen, NH, here ringo. If you observe like this is structure. Okay, this is structure, NH2, histamine. Next, if you observe cimetidine or tegamet, so here same structure, here same like this, but here sulfur is there and also nitrogen, CN, NHCH. This is structure for cimetidine. So just remember. So okay, next one, ranitidine or Jantac. So ranitidine is known as Jantac. So structure of the ranitidine and Jantac is like this: Me3, Me2N, this is sulfur. So next one, N, C double bond O, NO2 will be there. Okay, NH, Me, ranitidine, Jantac. Okay, understood? Next one, next, antihistamine, antimergic. So antihistamine is there. So antimergic, vasodilator. Okay, potent vasodilator, children. This is potent vasodilator. Okay, next, bromopyramine. Okay, dimetaph. This is an example for antihistamine. Structure is this one, bromopyramine. Okay, bromopyramine. This is bromopyramine, dimethyl. Okay, understood? Next one. Okay, next to terphenade. Okay, terphenade it is. So it is also known as Seldon. So it will act as an antihistamine. So this is structure for terphenadine. Okay, next this is structure. So OH will be there. pH, OH. Okay, pH, OH will be there. So next, neurologically active drugs. Okay, neurologically active drugs. So examples, those are tranquilizers. So this is tranquilizers mainly used for those who have to take who have psycho nature, stress nature. To reduce psycho nature and stress nature, we have to use the drugs names called tranquilizers. So examples for tranquilizers are iprionazid, phenylazine. Okay, so listen, iprionazid, if you observe, so this is structure iprionazine. Okay, iprionazine, this is structure. Okay, iprionazine, this is structure. Okay, next one, if you observe phenylazine. Okay, phenylazine, if you observe nodyl, so this is nodyl, it means phenylazine structure. So this is phenol, so this is azine. Okay, phenylazine structure. Next to mild tranquilizers. Okay, mild tranquilizers. So chlorodiazepoxide, example mild for mild tranquilizer. Mild means not more strong, not very weak, it means, so middle it means. So mild tranquilizers, example is chlorodiazepoxide. So structure is like this, chloro, okay, diapoxide, diaze, two nitrogens like this, epoxide. So epoxide structure will be there. This is. Next to meprobamate is also example of mild tranquilizers. Meprobamate. So if you observe meprobamate, this is meprobamate. Okay, H2N, C double bond O, CH2, CH3, CH3 taken twice, CH2O, C double bond O, NH2, meprobamate. Understood, children? Next one is equanil. Equanil is also one of the example. Equanil antidepressant. So when so many people are in depressant condition, we have to give this type of drugs. So equanil structure, for example, CH2N, C double bond O, O, CH2, C, CH3, CH3, CH2, O, C double bond O, next to NH2, this structure. Next to barbiturate, this is hypnotic. Okay, hypnotism, for hypnotism we have to use barbiturate. Okay, next one. So some of the derivatives for barbiturates are vironal, kemutal, membutan, levomentan, seconal, valium. Next one, this is vironal. This is NH double bond O, C2H5, C2H5 double bond O, NH double bond O. Okay, next one, this is CH3, Cl, N, C double bond O, serotonin. So NHCH2, CH2, NH2, this is serotonin. So just to remember names. Okay, this is valium, this is veronal. Veronal one ring, valium means 3 rings, serotonin means 2 rings. So these are examples for barbiturate. Okay, understood?